In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable audio in Kdenlive. First things first, let's make sure you have your Kdenlive application open on your PC. Once you've done that, go ahead and pick the video file for which you want to disable the audio. Now, with your chosen video file ready, you'd want to drag it onto the timeline. This will allow you to make the necessary adjustments. Now, when talking about audio management in Kdenlive, you essentially have two methods at your disposal to disable the audio from your video clip. Let's dive into the first method. You'll notice an audio symbol located on the left side of the audio track within the timeline. Simply click on this symbol. It essentially acts like a mute button, effectively disabling the audio. This is a quick and straightforward way to silence the sound and won't disrupt any edits you are making to the video itself. Moving on to the second method, which is particularly useful if you are planning to do further intricate edits to your video. Begin by right-clicking directly on the video clip within the timeline. A context menu should appear with various options. From this menu, select the Ungroup Clips option. What this action does is that it separates the audio from the video file, allowing you to deal with them individually. Once ungrouped, you can now freely move or even delete the audio track entirely. This is particularly handy if you plan on replacing the existing audio with a different soundtrack or simply want a silent video. And just like that, you've learned to disable the audio in Kdenlive, opening up new possibilities for your video editing projects. Whether you want a silent backdrop for dramatic effect or are considering adding a fresh audio track, you now have the tools to control your video's soundscape. Remember, our community gets stronger with your involvement. So if you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. And if you don't want to miss out on any of our upcoming videos, don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching and happy editing.